Hello, ma'am. My name is Krishna Chaudhary, and my student ID is 20251046. And this is my demonstration of the jobs recruitment website built for the CSY 2089 web programming assignment. I'll be walking through all the 10 features that were requested by the client, starting with the public facing site and then moving into the admin and client areas. First of all, this is my homepage. You can see the banner image at the top and the navigation bar. The first feature I implemented was a dynamic copyright notice. You can see at the bottom, it shows the current year automatically using PSP's date function rather than being hard coded. On the homepage, you can also see the 5 jobs that are closest to soonest. This was in feature 9. They are ordered by the closest date with the most urgent at the top, which is IT support technician, followed by digital marketing executive. Next feature I have is the navigation bar. It shows all job categories dynamically from the database. This was in feature 3. As you can see here, I can add a new category in the admin area, and it will automatically appear here without any changes. We can add it in here. Next, I have career advice page. Here is the career advice page. In this page, I added writing a winning CV, preparing for interviews, salary negotiation, making a career change, and working with a recruitment agency. And then next, I added in on the job page. Here you can see to search the jobs. I can search them by the filter. So let's search this with the title. Let's search IT. So we can get the job which is related to IT. We can also search it with a location. Let's search Northampton. If it's available, then we can get it. Here you can see these are the jobs which are located in Northampton. And let me clarify, like only matching results show here. And if I type something and it doesn't matches the jobs which are available here, then it will not show any results. And next we have contact forms. Let's go to contact form. Here it is. In this contact page, it has a form which was in feature 10. In this form, visitors can enter your name, email subject, and inquiry. Let me fill this in first and submit. Let's say promise the email address. Subject inquiry. Check tag. I am looking. Okay. Search. Let's see what it will show if we press in send message. Here you can see it's saved successfully. And next I added is a validation one as validation one. Let's see in this validation one we'll see if it's working or not. Let's try submitting the contact form with an invalid address. Let's write James here and write something which are invalid. Let's see James only. And if you try to submit this, it will say it says like please include an address in the email address. James is missing and which is invalid, so we have to write an appropriate email address here. Next, we can also apply for the jobs. To apply for the job, we have to fill in our name, email, and the cover. In this application form, notice that this CV file is optional. Let me show you by filling in the form. Let's say my name is Manoj. Then address Here it is. It's optional, so we can just click this submit application for now. Here you can see our application has been submitted successfully. Next up, let's go with the admin panel. For this admin panel, let me log into the admin area. I'll go to login and use the admin credential. It's admin. Sorry. Hmm, what? We are in the admin panel now. In this admin job list, uh, which was in feature 5, you can see I have added a category column and a date received column. Jobs are sorted by jobs are sorted by date received with the latest first. Here you can see the one which we got the like recently. It's in the first one, and we can filter it. We can also filter it with the category. Let's try with human resources and see if it works. Oh, here it is. You can see the jobs related to human resources. In this way, in this section, we can also archive and restore them. This was implemented in feature 4 where we had to archive and restore. Let me archive one of the jobs. Let's go all categories first. Mm, No, it's not. It's human resources categories. Let's archive this project secretary. You can see project secretary is archived, but I can also we can also view the archive just by pressing here. So archive filter. It is for human resources. Here you can see these are the jobs. So archive jobs too, and we can I can like in this web page we can also like restore this by pressing here restore. Mm. And in the next category section, I can add a like a new category. Let me add a category named legal. So for legal and procedure. Here you can see legal is added in the categories. This was in feature 3 and now it's working. Next one we have inquiries. This inquiry section shows all contact form submission which was in feature 10. Let me open one, then we like which we submitted earlier. Let's view this promise size. Mm. In this page I can see the full message. I can update the status. Let me set it to close. You can see the status updates, and let's first let's it to close. Here you can see the status updates, and it records which staff member closed it and when. That's the staff tracking requirement. Next, let's go with user management, which was in like feature 7. Let's go here and log in with. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Password. Here it is for user management. This was in feature 7. From this page, let me create a new user and show you. Let's create a new user. User direct. We can also choose this role. We can make it client, staff, or admin. Let's create a user first. Thanks. So the user is created. I can edit them to change their roles here. I can change their roles or deactivate them too. I can also delete them, but notice if I try to delete my own admin account, it shows an error to prevent that. Let's say, no, I cannot delete this account. Let's delete this user one. We can delete the user that I just created. Now, next, let's talk about the client portal. Let's go with client. Client username. Okay. You can see after logging in, I'm taken to the client jobs, the client portal, not the admin one. Admin one. As a client, I can post a new job here, which was in like feature it. Let me fill in the details to post a new job. Let's do assistant. Uh, That's let's decide to location. Let's put open fonts date 8 6. We can post the job here. Mm, Here you can see we can post the job and we can also edit them here. Uh, in this section, I can also like access a job that belongs to a different client by going directly to the URL. Then we have you can also view applicants for my jobs by clicking the view one. Here you can see no one has viewed the job here. So next, in this web page, or we can say like throughout this site, all forms have like validations, required field, emails, format, date format, then future dates and file types are all checked. Let me quickly show you the job form too. And submitting without the title, it gives an error, and invalid date gives an error, and also a past closing date is rejected. Let's go here. If we try to post a job, the title, say new job without a title, or can add 42 50, sorry, this Alice. I have to write dates too. 4 sorry, 9. As you can see, if we try to post a job without a title, it gives an error. This is a validation. So overall, this covers all the 10 features requested by the clients. This site has been like completely rebuilt with an MVC structure, a single entry point repository pattern, and a 134 PSP unit test, and with the coverage report. So this is the coverage report of the test. It covers all of it, and I would like to say thank you so much for paying my project this much.